Kenny Lofton, I played Major League Baseball, 17 years. I played with 11 teams. Well, in the moment I felt my hair start to recede in the front, first thing you was thinking, you have to go bald. And I found out coming to Dr. Mohebi is something that, having my consultation, talking to him and just trying to understand the process, it was a cool process.
Kenny is a Major League Baseball Hall of Famer. He's in front of camera all the time and his look is very important to him. Adding hair, good hairline, solid hairline adds to the confidence that he already has.
Now I'm looking at my hair now and the hairline is back. Once you understand it and you do the research, it's a lot easier. I think the word transplant it just scares people. And I think when I looked at the process, and the process was pretty simple. I mean, it's just like you pulling your own hair out and just putting it in another area. And that was kind of the process, and it was kind of simple and easy.